Hello everyone, welcome to Install Mania. In this tutorial, I will going to show you how to install Firefox latest version on Windows 11 PC. Firefox latest version introduce new chatbot that summarize the current browsing page, and it also recommended some new feature that when you open new tab, then it recommended sports, tech, news and other information in new tab. So it is very amazing update. So I show you how to install it on your PC. So I open my browser and then type Firefox and hit enter. Then this is the first link of Firefox. So I click on get Firefox desktop and mobile. Then click on set Firefox as your default browser. I untick it and then click on download Firefox button. Within few seconds it will download setup file. So I click on start download and download is completed. Now close and minimize my browser. This is the Firefox installer. So I right click on it and then click on run as administrator. Then it asks me permission. I click on yes. Now it is installing Firefox on my PC, so it take few seconds, so I need to wait to finish installation. So installation is completed. It automatically open. Now it asks some question. I click on continue and click on skip this step and also click on skip this step and click on start browsing. So Firefox installation is completed. So I do not import bookmark from my other browser, so I also skip this step. So I type Google and hit enter. After that I type CNN and hit enter. Then I enter the CNN web page. In this page I right click anywhere of this page. Then I see ask an AI chatbot summarize this page. So this is the new feature of Firefox. You can easily summarize website. So that was my video. In this video I will show you how to install Firefox latest version on Windows 11 PC. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you watch this video on Facebook, please follow my Facebook page. If you watch this video on YouTube, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.